Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Friday, September 13th. Well, the streak is over in stocks. 7 consecutive sessions on the upside ended yesterday. We were down about 0.25% across the board. Even the S&P 1678, again December contracts now, 1678 down 3 3/4. We only saw an 8 3/4 point range all day. So consolidation, even though we did pull back, it didn't really sell off. Dow futures down 17, 15,246, 63-point range there. Again, a tight range in the Dow. The Nasdaq was down 2.5, 3170. We saw the dollar index down 3 points at 81.49, remaining solidly below 82. The euro currency is holding above 133, 133.04. Only a 75-point range in that euro as well. 133.25 was the high of the session yesterday, so showing some upward movement anyways. The bond market up 9, 129.21. Crude oil added $1, 108.60, so finding support down in that 106 level after we've seen some unwinding here this week. Bounced up a little bit yesterday. 109.16 was yesterday's highs. And gold, even though the dollar has had some weakness, gold has as well. So gold was down $33 at $13.30. $13.50 was an important support point that we want to look at on a weekly basis. And if it can't hold that, then $1300 is the next support down below. So to look at the markets for today, here on Friday morning, September 13th, we see the market steady right now, down 1 point at 1677. Dow futures up 1 point, 15,247. And the Nasdaq's up 1 point at 3171. So things are steady right now. We're not seeing a whole lot of action right now in the stock equities. We don't have any new earnings. The new earnings season starts October 8th. So we're kind of in a dull period right now from that standpoint. I'm sure other things are going to happen. Looking at the dollar's up 8, 81.57. The euro's down 17, at 132.91 as we stand. And bond market is up 1 tick at 129.22. Very quiet there as well. The yield on the 30-year Treasury is at 3.84%, and the yield on the 10-year note is holding below 3% again this week at 2.91, even though people have been talking about that 3%, and we approached that here last week. Crude oil is giving back $1 that it gained yesterday. We're at 107.60. And gold, you just cannot find a bottom here. Down another $17 at 13.13. Very interesting. Friday the 13th, we're sitting at 13.13. So we'll see how that finishes up for the week. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, things are steady. We're down 1 point in the E-mini S&P, and we're up 1 point in the Dow futures. I will see you early Monday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.